Hello students, in this video lecture students I am going to solve some word problems based on quadratic equation. Okay, question number 1. A bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Due to heavy rain, its speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour, and as such it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance, assuming the uniform speed to be x km per hour. Form an equation and solve it to evaluate. Right student? In this question students, bus covers total distance 240 km. Total distance 240 km. And given uniform speed be x km per hour. So uniform speed equal to x km per hour. Right? We know that students, speed equal to distance upon time, so we can written as time equal to distance upon speed. Therefore time equal to 240 upon x, right? And students, given due to heavy rain, since given due to heavy rain, its speed get reduced by 10 km per hour, and it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance. Okay, so therefore speed equal to x minus 10 km per hour, because uniform speed of bus is x km per hour, and due to rain its speed reduced 10 km. Then speed equal to x minus 10 km per hour, and time equal to 240 upon x plus 2 hours, right? Students, we know that speed equal to distance upon time. Therefore speed equal to x minus 10, distance 240 km, and time 240. It is equal to students x minus 10 into 240 upon x plus 2 equal to 240, right? Taking LCM, x minus 10 x 240 plus 2x equal to 240, right? Or x minus 10 in bracket 240 plus 2x equal to 240x. After multiplication we get 240x minus 2400 plus 2x square minus 20x equal to 240x. 240x 240x cancel to each other. It is equal to 2x square minus 20x minus 2400 equal to 0. Dividing by 2, it is equal to x square minus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. Students, factor of 1200 will be 40 and 30. Okay, x square minus 40x plus 30x minus 1200 equal to 0. From first two term, x common, in bracket x minus 40 plus 30 common, in bracket x minus 40 equal to 0, or x minus 40 in bracket x plus 30 equal to 0. X equal to 40 and minus 30, it is negative, therefore it is not possible, hence x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Hence the uniform speed of bus will be equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. Second question, students. Rupees 480 is divided equally among x children, right? If the number of children were 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less. Find the value of x. Okay. In this question, given total amount of rupees, total amount equal to rupees 480 and total children equal to x. Therefore, amount of each children equal to 480 upon x rupees, right? Students, given if the number of children were 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less. ठीक, amount of each children will be rupees 480 upon x. Students, given if the number of children were 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less, right? Since the number of children 20 more, number of children 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less. Therefore, amount of each children equal to 12 rupees less. Here amount of each children 480 upon x minus 12, right? And it can be written as students 480 upon x plus 20 will be equal to 480 upon x minus 12. Okay, because the number of children 20 more, then each would be rupees 12 less, right? Therefore, amount of each children 480 upon x minus 12, because the amount of each children is 480 upon x. If we apply this condition, then the amount of his children will be equal to 480 upon x minus 12. Okay, or 480 upon x plus 20 equal to LCM x 480 minus 12x. By cross multiplication, 480x equal to x plus 20 in bracket 480 minus 12x, or 480x equal to 480x plus 0 0 2 8 ja 16 4 2 4 ja 8 9, right, minus 12x square minus 240x. 480 cancel to each other. It can be written as 12x square plus 240x minus 9600 equal to 0, right? Dividing by 12, it is equal to x square plus 20x minus 12 8 ja 96 800 equal to 0. Factor of 800 will be equal to 40 and 20, right? Therefore, it can be written as x square plus 40x minus 20x minus 800 equal to 0. From first two factor, x common, in bracket x plus 40 minus 20 common, in bracket x plus 40 equal to 0, or x plus 40 in one bracket and x minus 20 equal to 0, x equal to minus 40 and 20. This is a negative, therefore it is not possible, hence x equal to 20, right? Therefore the value of x equal to 20, right? Answer. Next question, student. Question number 3. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his daughter's age, right? 3 years hence his age will be 4 times his daughter's age. Find their present age. Okay, let present age of daughter equal to x year, right, and man's age equal to y years, right? According to condition 1, 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his daughter's age. 2 years ago, man's age will be equal to y minus 2. It is equal to 3 times the square of his daughter's age, right? This is a equation according to first condition, right? It can be written as y minus 2 equal to 3 in bracket x square minus 4x plus 4. Applying here formula a minus b whole square, or y minus 2 equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 12. Equation number 1. And according to condition 2, 3 years hence his age will be 4 times his daughter's age, right? After 3 years, the man's age will be equal to y plus 3. It is equal to 4 times his daughter's age. right? It is equal to y plus 3 equal to 4x plus 12. Equation number 2. Subtracting 1 and 2, we get y and y cancel, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 12 minus 4x minus 12. 12 and 12 cancel. It is equal to minus 5 equal to 3x square minus 16x. It can be written as 3x square minus 16x plus 5 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation, right? 3 into 5, 15, 15 1 ja 15, 15 1, 16, which is coefficient of x. Therefore, it can be written as 3x square minus 15x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. From first two term, 3x common, in bracket x minus 5 minus 1 common, x minus 5 equal to 0, x minus 5 in one bracket, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 5 and 1 by 3, which is a fractional form. Therefore, we take x equal to 5, right? Hence, the present age of daughter equal to 5 years, right? And man's present age of man equal to present age of man equal to y year. So therefore, putting the value of x5 in 2, we get 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 12 32, y plus 3 equal to 32. So therefore, y equal to 32 minus 3 equal to 29 years, right? So hence, students, the present age of daughter is 5 years and present age of man is 29 years, right? It is a answer. Okay.